Good morning! We're packing. Pupunta kami sa Shangri-La today. So, gagamitin lang namin yung luggage ni Dan. Right there. Diyan ko na ilalagay yung akin. So, ito yung sa kanya. Lalagay ko na siya. And then, yung akin nasa kabilang kwarto. Niready ko na. Pupunta pa kami sa bahay ni Marlon. Tapos, iiwan sa sakyan doon. Tapos, uwi siya. Susunduin niya si Miss. Tapos, uwi sila. Tapos, bukas surgery ni Papi. So, sila na yung sasama kay Papi. Hello! Hello! Pupunta kami sa Shangri-La. Pero, idadaan muna namin kay Marlon yung sasakyan. Do you have it?
Yep.
Yay. Yeah, kami lang dalawa na Dan. Tapos, namin si Marlon. Ooh, look at you. Oh, you need to get my camera. I need to reverse. Can you turn it off? Or, it's up to you. Are you ready, people? Let's go. This car though, beside us. Really nice parking. Hello! Nandito kami sa Hukad, sa Park Mall. Hinihintay namin si Marlon. Susunduin kami ni Marlon dito. Tapos, dadalhin niya kami sa Shangri-La. Tapos, susunduin niya si Miss. Tapos, uwi na sila. And yes, dito kami. First time ko kumain dito sa Hukad. Do you need my help?
Nah, I'm
Hukad.
thinking,
Mga Filipino food.
I might get a sweet chili chicken.
Okay. Yeah, sounds good. That's it? For you?
Yeah.
I want to get seafood.
What's the seafood?
Yeah. Ooh, that looks good. Sisig, babe. Ooh, baked scallops.
We'll get a serve of calamari as well.
Sige. Cute ng lights nila, oh. Puso. Cute. Parang hindi kita sa picture, sa video, pero puso siya, you guys. Yan. Oh, diba? Cute. Dito yung sweet chili chicken, dan. And then baked scallops. Calamari. Yummer. Yummers. Rice na lang yung hinihintay namin. Unlimited rice pala dito. Hindi ko alam. No, he will text if he's already here. He's not yet here.
Okay, well.
Hello!
Help.
Dito kami sa park.
Help.
Nagpunta ako dyan. Dyan. Marami silang mga damit, pero wala na. Hindi na ako namimili. Kasi hindi ko naman madadala. Itong top na to, galing sa Shein. Hello, babe. Look at the contacts.
Did I speak to them?
No. And then yung shorts is kay Miss. Hindi to akin yung shorts kay Miss. Sige, punta tayo sa loob. Dito kami sa department store. Bilhin ni Dan yung panglinis ng
Don't show them what I got.
I already told them. Panlinis ng tenga, yung kahoy. Kasi inaano niya sa tenga yung mga matutulis. Kalukat ang taong to. May mga brushes. Uy, kabuki. Kabuki brush. Bibilhan namin si mama nito. Para sa tindahan niya. Ito, oh. Dalawa nito. Ang cute. Party. Sige, yan. Nandito na kami sa Shangri-La. And dinrap kami ni Marlon. Ang layo pala. Sobra. Ang ganda nila. Anong setup nila. Oh, gold and yeah, gold and white. Oh, parang gold and cream. Yung Christmas tree nila. Ang ganda. Ang laki. Nice! Tapos ang bait pa ng staff. Meron talaga sumalubong sa amin. Tapos tinanong niya kung gusto namin ng tulong sa luggage. Kaya, really nice. Tapos pinaupo muna kami dito kasi marami pa nag-check-in. Or marami, no? Konti lang. Pero meron pa nag-check-in. Full pa. Hindi, sobrang ganda dito, guys. Babe, ooh, hello. We got a welcome drink. Is it good?
What's that?
The drink.
Yeah, no, it's good.
We're here, we're fancy. Lagyan lang yung phone ko sa bag ko. Naka-check-in na kami. Sobrang bilis lang ng check-in. Tapos ang bait ni ate. Tapos yung welcome drink, calamansi juice, I think it was. It was so good. Yummers. So, we will take the elevator. Tapos, nandito na yung nandito na yung room key.
Do you have the cards, babe?
Yep, I have it. Wait, what room? 9066. No, that's going up. It's going down, babe. Here, going up. 9,066 yung room namin. Let's go. Oh, 9. Wow. I think the last floor.
Ooh,
Yay.
fancy.
Last floor. Yes. 9,066.
I ate the numbers of this way. Yes.
I was right. This guy. Yay! Nasa pinakamataas na floor kami. Look at that. Yeah. Looks nice. 72. Let's go look. 68. So, even numbers dito. Tapos, sa kabilang side, mga odd numbers. So, 66 tayo. This one, babe. Here. Hello. You always leave your luggage. Poor luggage.
Count that bit?
Sige. Yay. Thank you. Ooh, hello. Yay. Hello, let's check out the outside. The outside. Oh my gosh. Look at that view.
Let's go.
Beautiful. Yay. Very nice. Magro-room tour ako. So, dito yung door. And, nakaano na siya para gumana yung ilaw. And then, right here, you will see the, yung bathroom nila. So, meron siyang, actually, it's a really nice size na, bathtub. And then, shower right there. And then, yung mga towels. And then, here, you will have this. Gusto ko yung black, as in, I like it. Marble. I'm not sure if it's marble, but yeah. Meron din silang toothbrush, which is good kasi yung iba walang toothbrush. And then, laundry powder, cotton buds, shower cap, and ito, bongga. Meron silang hair tie. And then, nandito, shampoo, conditioner, bath gel, bath lotion, body lotion. And then, yan, tissues, big mirror na will light up. Yep, nice. I like it. Dalawang baso. And then, yeah, yung toilet nandyan. What's that? Oh, sanitary bag. And then, more towels. Meron siyang dito. Hair dryer. Ooh, sewing kit. I'm taking that home with me. Lagi kong inuuwi yung mga sewing kit. Kasi mahilig ako sa mga ganon. And then, meron trash bin. And then, paglabas mo dito, you will see this. So, meron silang closet. They have the safe. They have these na walang laman. Pero, yeah. Yan. And then dito, ooh, bathrobe, yay. And slippers, nice. Ito, dalawa. Meron silang plancha, meron sila laundry bag, and meron din sila nung kabayo para sa plancha. And then here, you have that. Merong extra pillow sa taas. And then there. Tapos dito, pwede mo ilagay yung luggage mo dito. And then I think this will open. Yep. Ooh, cool. So yeah, dyan. Dyan. And then, nandyan yung TV. Nandun yung labas. And then, yung bed looks like this. Very simple lang niya. Pero very clean. As in, sobrang clean. Meron siyang ganyan, oh. And then, yeah. And then, right here, meron siyang design na ganun. And yeah, I really like it. Gusto ko na mahaba yung working area niya dito. So, yeah. Cool. Here's the minibar. So, merong mga tubig, obviously. What's this? Oh, para sa ice. And then, here you have all that. Coffee. I'm not sure if complimentary yan, pero maybe. Maybe not. Tapos dito, oh, nice. Meron silang beer. Wait, where's the open? Okay. Meron silang mga beer. And then yan, mga drinks. Water. Cool. Really nice. And then kettle. And then, yeah, that's it. Tapos, yan na yung labas. Sobrang ganda na labas. Let's go out. Let's go out. Wait. And then, ito na yung view. Yan. Hindi ko alam kung ano yung nandyan. Pero, yeah, yan yung view natin. O, diba? Ang ganda. Tapos, dito sa baba, parking lot. Right there. Yun. Siguro mamayang gabi magdi-dinner kami. Hindi ko alam kung saan. Pero, yeah, I'll take a picture. We will go walk around. I-tour muna namin, Char. I-tour muna namin. Maglalakad-lakad lang kami dito. Tapos later on, pupunta kami sa labas, magpapamassage. Maghahanap kami ng, massage place. Oh, we're going down?
Yeah, go down.
Sige.
Hello.
Ayun. They're so nice. Ooh, the pool. Mamayang gabi pa kami pupunta sa pool. Pero ang nice dito, guys. Nandito na kami sa ground.
Okay.
Ooh, careful.
Can we walk around the pool?
Yeah, sige. Super nice. Oh, wait. Pakita ko sa inyo. Look at that. So nice. Ang laki dito. Grabe. Oh. I think they have more than one. I'm pretty sure they have more than one pool. Right, babe? Yes. Meron silang lalaroan ng badminton. Tapos meron silang mga doon. Duyan. Cute dito. Ang ganda. Dami nga lang tao. Mamayang gabi pa kami pupunta sa pool kasi walang tao na siguro mamaya.
And miniature golf.
Oh, miniature golf. Hala, can we do
We'll play
that?
that tomorrow, yeah.
Sige,
I like
let's
miniature
do that. Oh, merong miniature golf dito. Ang ganda.
Got like a bar down
Diyan,
there. Or like restaurant.
Oh, yeah.
Check that out. No?
They have Sea Sports Center. So, merong scuba, parasailing, island hopping, helmet diving. Hala, helmet diving, babe. Banana boat, glass bottom boat. Hala, oh, look at glass bottom boat. That looks cool. I like glass bottom boat and helmet diving. Pupunta kami sa beach. Tingnan natin. Meron silang, what is this here? Cove? Something. Hahaha. You are leaving the resort premises, babe.
Sorry?
You're leaving the resort premises. Can you take a picture of me there? Oh, this is scary. Look at this. Scary! Patay na. Ano na? Pupuntahan namin yung ocean pool. Meron silang dalawang pool pala. Main pool, yung nadaanan natin kanina. At saka ocean pool. We're going there. Marami silang mga ganyan, mga flower. Diba? May ganon. Yung ocean wing, mag-close sila ng 6 p.m. Tapos yung main pool, mag-close sila ng 9. So, mamaya na lang kami pupunta. Pupunta kami sa main pool. Pero magpapamassage muna kami. I don't think we can swim or like after massage.
Why?
I don't know. I think it's like, yeah, I think my mom told me that after massage you can't take a bath or like take a shower. How much more going to the pool, babe? Merong dito, Zumba. Merong nagsusumba. Diba? So we're going out and get a massage?
Yeah, go.
Sige, let's go. Dito kami sa Nuwatay. Magpapamassage kami. Mga lang siya, 5 minutes away from the hotel. Nilakad lang namin. And pipili na sa daan. You want the full body, babe?
Yeah, I expect it's fine, full body.
Sige, me too. It'll be the same room, right?
Yeah, we can ask to be.
Sige. Let's do that. Dito kami sa Save More. Bibili lang kami ng maiinom, snack, ganun. Mago-mugo, babe, wait. Yeah, that one. Coconut. Let's get coconut. Mago-mugo. What do you want?
We get some more drinks as well.
What do you want? Hi, babe. I need some wet wipes. The eye. Yeah. Wait. The cheapest one. Let's go. Get the... Bibilhan namin yung driver kasi nag-tricycle kami pupunta dito. Mahal pa ng bayad ni Kuya, 100, back and forth. Punta sana kami sa 7-Eleven pero dito na lang kasi mas marami. Gatorade, babe, the blue one. Sige, let's go. Bilan namin si Kuya ng Gatorade. Maybe choose a different color. Hala, it's dark. We're back. Bumili kami ng turon. Pinakamalaking turon. Look at this though. The fireworks?
Oh.
Hala, I think they're having it here.
Oh.
Sounds really close. As in, sobrang laki ng turon. 15 pesos lang siya. Doon namin nabili sa Save More. Wait, mamaya ako nipakita kasi ang dilim. May nagkakaroling. Let's go.
What are you?
They're good. Thank you! Very good! Ang cute ng mga bata. Ang galing nila. Punta na kami sa room kasi pupunta pa kami ng pool. Mag-close yun ng 5. What time is it, babe? Wait. 7:30. Now we still have time. 30 minutes to, I need to edit my thumbnail and then, yeah. Tapos, let's go to the pool at 8. Wala, yung mag-focus sa mukha ko. Ang ganda ng setup na dito. In fairness, ha? Meron sila mga bata, nagkakaroling. Social. Naglagay ako ng ito, drops sa mata ko. Dadalhin ko tong camera na to. Pinadala sa akin to from banggood.com and mura lang siya. 4K yung pangalan niya. Oh. It's an action camera. So, tatry ko siya kasi pupunta kami ng pool. Hindi ko to dadalhin tong camera na to kasi hindi siya waterproof. So, yeah. Wala nga lang akong yung attachment kasi wala. Hindi dinala ni Dan. Ito lang yung dinala niya kasi ang laki na daw ng box. So, ito lang yung dinala niya. And yeah, pupunta na kami doon. And what should I bring, babe? Just the camera? And...
Yeah. We're gonna tap them down there.
Sige, may towel daw doon. Sige, try natin. Oh! I need to transfer the memory card. 1 sec. Hello! Tapos na kami maligo. Pinapanood din yung video ko. Kaka-up lang niya kanina. Medyo na late siya kasi nag-edit pa ako ng thumbnail. Pero few minutes lang naman. I did film using yung camera kanina, yung action camera. And I'm not sure. I-transfer ko siya. And I'm pretty sure nakita niyo na kasi mag-insert ako ng clip. Pero yeah, maganda. Nag-close sila 9. Tapos umalis kami doon 8:45. And yeah, ngayon matutulog na kami. Bukas excited ako sa breakfast. Are you excited for tomorrow's breakfast, babe? Yeah, buffet. Free buffet siya dito eh. And, that's gonna be exciting. Yung kinain ko kanina, yun lang, yung sobrang laking turon. And hindi ko nga naubos yung isa eh. Si Dan yung kumain ng half. Pero, hala, they have wine, babe. Fancy. Where's the food? We will just eat the snacks. Yun lang. Tapos, I need to edit the video din. Namatay pa yung battery ko. Why? Nagtatawanan ako tong isa. Anyway, yeah, i-close ko na yung vlog. Bukas i-meet ko si Chinky Tita at saka yung my loves niya. We'll meet them tomorrow, babe. Dinner. So, yeah. Hindi ko alam kung saan nila kami dadalhin. Actually, hindi ko pa siya na-text. But yeah, I will see you guys tomorrow. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, please subscribe, and I hope to see you guys tomorrow. Do not forget to eat good night. Bye!